Guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on Pound USD. Guys, yesterday we were buying this, guys. We hit both of our targets, as you guys can see. So, guys, the question remains, what are we going to do today, guys? Today we are changing our sides and we are siding with the sellers, guys, for today, as long as the price stays below 1.35254. In my opinion, we will be seeing yesterday's low, which is located at 1.34721. Why, guys? It's holiday season. And today is Christmas Eve. I don't expect that much of volume, but you never know. And guys, I would only start buying if the price breaks above 1.35345. And guys, my target will be 1.35819. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair and see you guys tomorrow.